Welcome to Kalapuri, a brand of handicrafts, a brand from Kolhapur. Again, the video is to show you our flagship product, the handmade baskets. Today is the design where we have used a combination of orange, blue, pink, green. These are the four colors that we have used, and the lid color is orange. So the lid can be the lid color can be anything as per your choice. If you want the blue lid to blue color lid, even if we can customize it to blue, or even if for pink as well. This is the extra small basket. As you know, we have 5 sizes, again from extra small to extra large. This the middle basket is the extra large basket. For extra large basket, let me show you. Here we are using 6 studs. As the size is big, we have to use 6 studs along with the black male female buttons, which gives the sturdiness to the baskets. And these corners, when you keep them on the ground, the corners are intact even if you use it for 3 or 4 years. The life of these baskets is minimum 10 years. You can definitely use it for 10 years. I am using it from last 7 to 8 years. Again, the black male female button along with the matching pink color strap and the beautiful orange lid. I'll show you inside the basket. The big basket, you can see definitely 20 kgs weight it can carry. It can carry a material of close to 20 kgs. You can wash them, you can use in any season. You have to just wash them if it is dirty, and then you can clean it, and then you can dry it in sunlight for 1 or 2 hours. Again, it becomes as it is. So it's very easy to maintain. You can shop them on kalapuri.com under baskets category. The range starts from $6.99 to $12.99, including shipping. Thank you. Keep shopping on kalapuri.com.